Good morning, William Schneider here from CPS Energy, San Antonio, Texas. We're here in Jacksonville working for JEA after Hurricane Ian come through town. Jacksonville reached out to us for some mutual assistance. We gladly came down to help our fellow municipalities the best way we can. CPS Energy and JEA have a good working relationship. Over the years, CPS Energy has deployed to help Jacksonville. We're here again to show that support and to continue to build that ongoing relationship for the future needs. Our goal is to get the lights on for the customers. Electricity's become a necessity more than a luxury, from our cell phone chargers to our cars nowadays. So we have to get the power grid back up to get everybody's life back to normal the way it was pre-hurricane.